As you can see, there is a low level next to the house here that was not here before, and the reason that is because there was some work done in the yard. This was torn up to put some piping in to repair it, and the dirt just wasn't refilled back up. If you're getting water right there and you haven't had that before, it's very likely that it just wasn't filled back up. Another thing is this wasn't put back in the right spot, so the water's coming down and around, it just got pooling right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get that pointed out, and I got some soil here. We're gonna fill that up. You can either step on it, walk all over it, or tamp it if you want to. And we're probably gonna have to do that a couple times, although today I just have 5 bags of it. And what I've got is just some regular topsoil for filling holes and leveling low areas, which is what we're gonna do. So this yard actually kind of angles towards the house anyway, which isn't ideal, but aside from regrading, there's not a whole lot you can do about it. So what we're gonna do, again, is just put a whole bunch of dirt here, and that should take care of it once it sinks and settles down. And again, I'm gonna redirect that. Now, if you're having this happen and you haven't done any yard work or had anything repaired in there, you're gonna have a different issue, a different reason causing this. You might want to get a French drain or something. You'll have to look into that, but this is just if you've had some work done, how to fix that. So there is, I leveled it out and then pushed some more towards the house. You don't really want to do what I did there, which is put it above any window, but that's going to sink down. I'm going to step on it and tamp it again later. I did tamp it and then of course stepped all over it as I walked on it. So it's pretty compact, and it is actually sloping out away from the house now a couple feet, at least to here. So that should eliminate part of the problem, and I'll check again in a few days. And I did move this to here, and you can see it is starting to pool out here and hopefully go that way away from the house. One thing to note about these extenders is if you have any sort of low point, I'm gonna have to replace this one, it's old and gross, but this point was sagging down right there, and if there's any sort of hole or anything anywhere here, and that is a high end there, it's actually gonna pool down here where the lowest point is. So I shoved a rock under there. I'll fix this later when I come back, but you want it to go the full length of wherever you're trying to redirect it to, or else there's really no point in having this thing at all. So there you go. I hope that helps somebody. Thank you for watching.